Here is step-by-step guide how to log out from your Keplr wallet. So first of all, let me swipe down and find Keplr wallet and just tap on it. After that, as you can see, I automatically log in into my account. And once you're right here, you have two options. So for example, you can tap on three lines at the top left corner, and after that tap on lock wallet. And right here you can type in password of your account and you'll log into your account. Or you can tap on use biometric authentication, and I successfully log into my account. So also you can choose second method. So for that you can tap on my first wallet at the very top, and after that you can see three dots at the top right corner. Just tap on that, and right here you can delete wallet. And once you do that, your wallet will be able to successfully delete it. So that's it. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Keplr wallet.